Have you ever experienced the frustration of multiple team members replying to the same customer email? Or worse, nobody replying at all? Keeping track of customer support conversations can be chaotic when messages are spread across individual inboxes. In this video, we're going to simplify the process by showing you how to set up a shared Gmail inbox using Hiver, a tool designed to bring order to customer support. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter workflows using AI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a shared mailbox, assign conversations, automate repetitive tasks, and keep your customers happy without the confusion. Why a shared inbox matters. You see, when your business relies on email for customer support, the inbox becomes the front line of communication. Without a shared system, messages can slip through the cracks, get lost in personal folders, or be answered twice. A shared inbox solves these problems by giving your team a single place to view, assign, and track messages. Makes it clear who is responsible for each conversation and provides a history of interactions. This transparency leads to quicker replies and fewer mistakes. Hiver goes beyond a simple shared mailbox by adding collaboration tools, automation, and analytics to help teams deliver better support. Evaluating your options. Before diving into Hiver, it's useful to understand the built-in options that Google offers for sharing email access. Delegated access. Delegated access allows one user to read and send emails on behalf of another. It's easy to set up, and it works well if you only need one or two people to manage an inbox. For small teams, this might be enough. However, it lacks features like assignment tracking, statuses, and collision detection. There's no way to see who is handling a message, and you can't prevent two people from applying at the same time. Google Collaborative Inbox. A Google Groups collaborative inbox allows multiple people to manage messages sent to a group address. It adds basic tools like assigning topics to members and marking conversations as resolved. It's more scalable than delegation, but it's limited. There's no tagging, no analytics, and the interface is separate from the familiar Gmail environment. For a team that spends all day in Gmail, switching context can slow things down. Hiver and other third-party tools. Third-party tools like Hiver transform Gmail into a true help desk. They overlay additional features such as assignment, tagging, automation, and internal notes directly onto your Gmail interface. This keeps the learning curve low while adding the functionality you need for customer support. Hiver is especially useful for teams that have outgrown the built-in options, but they don't want the complexity of an enterprise help desk. Getting started with Hiver. Creating your Hiver account. To begin, click the link down below in the description to get started with Hiver. You can start with a free trial to explore the features. After creating an account, you'll need to install the Hiver Chrome extension. This adds Hiver's controls directly inside of your Gmail interface, so you don't have to switch to another application. Setting up a shared mailbox. Once you have the extension installed, it's time to create your shared inbox. Think of the shared mailbox as the central hub where all customer support emails will arrive. You can create a new email address or connect an existing support address such as support@yourcompany.com. Hiver will guide you through connecting the mailbox to Gmail. After the shared mailbox is connected, add team members who need access. Assign roles based on responsibilities. Agents who handle customer emails, supervisors who monitor performance, and administrators who manage settings. So, like I said, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with a free trial. Just go ahead and click on this free trial button, and it'll walk you through a brief setup of downloading the Google Chrome extension, and it'll open up in your Gmail provider. So here we are inside of Gmail, and here we go. I've created my own shared inbox right here called Shared Inbox Test, but then here is also the demo inbox. So this is what we're looking at, and this is what Hiver does. It builds on top of your current Gmail provider, so everything feels familiar. Configuring basic settings. So before using the shared inbox, set up a few important preferences. Work hours. Define your team's working hours and holidays. This helps with response times metrics and ensures that emails received outside of hours are handled appropriately. Signature and branding. Create a consistent email signature for support replies. This gives your messages a professional look and helps customers recognize your team. Response time goals. Set targets for how quickly the team should respond. Hiver can track these goals and send reminders if conversations are approaching deadlines. Managing conversations in Hiver. Assigning emails. One of the key benefits of Hiver is the ability to assign each email to a specific team member. When a new email arrives, anyone in the shared inbox can assign it. Assigning clearly indicates who is responsible and it prevents duplicate replies. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this email from this customer called Amanda. And right here, we can see this is assigned to, right now, no one. So I'll go ahead and add me. And now it's assigned to me. Now, as you can, I don't know if you noticed it, but over here, this is my inbox. It just went from 1 to 2. So now we come back here and we'll see this email from Amanda. Using tags and views. Tags lets you categorize conversations based on topic, priority, or customer type. For example, you might create tags like billing, technical support, or VIP. Tags make it easy to filter and search conversations later. Views are saved filters that show only conversations matching specific criteria. A high priority view could show all conversations tagged as urgent and not yet closed. A My Conversations view shows only the emails assigned to you. So setting up thoughtful tags and views helps agents navigate the inbox quickly. So over here on the right-hand side, you can see we have tags right here. So it's got a demo tag onto it. So if we click here, we could go ahead and create a new tag as well. Now over here on the left-hand side, you can go ahead and see we have views. So we have different views over here. Here's all views. If we need to create a new one, we can go ahead and click create view and call it whatever we want and assign it to certain people, have different statuses, different tags, does not contain specific tags, or any AI sentiment to go ahead and filter that view even further. Statuses: open, pending, closed. Statuses track the progress of each conversation. An open status indicates that a ticket needs a response. Pending means you're waiting for the customer to reply or for more information. Closed shows that the issue has been resolved. Hiver lets you change statuses as conversations evolve. Using statuses consistently helps everyone know what still needs attention. So let's go ahead and take a look at another email here. We'll click on this one from Ryan. And here you can go ahead and next to the assigned to, we have status. So here it's currently open. We can change it to pending or closed. Go ahead and select closed for that one just so we know that it's done. And just like that, that's how we can go ahead and change the status of an email. Collision detection. Have you ever hit send only to realize that a teammate has already responded? Hiver's collision detection feature solves this by showing a warning when two agents are composing replies to the same email. It displays a notification that someone else is currently typing or has already drafted a response. This prevents duplicate or conflicting replies and saves time. Automating your workflow. Auto assignment and rules. As your volume grows, manually assigning every email can become tedious. Hiver allows you to create automation rules to assign emails based on conditions, like sender, subject keywords, or recipient address. For example, all emails containing the word billing could automatically go to the finance team. You can also rotate assignments evenly among agents. Automation ensures that incoming messages are distributed fairly and reach the right person quickly. Auto tagging and auto close. Hiver can automatically apply tags to messages based on rules. If an email is from a particular customer or domain, it can receive a specific tag. You can also set conversations to auto close after they've been resolved for a certain number of days. This keeps your inbox tidy without manual cleanup. Automation rules are flexible and help your team focus on engaging with customers instead of sorting and organizing emails. Workflow templates. For common processes such as onboarding new customers or handling returns, you can create workflow templates. Templates include pre-written replies, checklists, and tasks that guide agents through the process. Using templates ensures consistent responses and saves time. Templates can also trigger internal steps like notifying the billing department when a refund is processed. Collaborating internally. Shared notes and mentions. Within a conversation, you can leave private notes visible only to your team. Use notes to provide context, ask questions, or document decisions. Notes keep internal discussion organized and attached to the conversation. You can also mention teammates using @mentions to draw their attention. They'll receive notification and can jump directly to the conversation. This eliminates the need for separate chats or documents to discuss customer issues. Internal knowledge in resources. Over time, your team will develop solutions to common problems. Hiver offers a knowledge base where you can store articles, canned replies, and troubleshooting guides. Agents can quickly reference these resources from within the conversation. Building a knowledge base reduces repetition and ensures that customers receive accurate and consistent information. Supervising and coaching. Supervisors can monitor conversations in real time and provide coaching. Hiver's analytics show response times, resolution times, customer satisfaction ratings, and workload distribution. Managers can identify bottlenecks, provide feedback to agents, and celebrate successes. Having data helps you improve processes and deliver better service. Measuring performance. Analytics dashboard. Hiver's analytics dashboards gives you a high-level overview of your team's performance. You can track metrics like average response time, number of conversations handled per agent, and customer satisfaction ratings. Use these insights to set goals and measure progress. If response times are slipping, you may need to adjust staffing or processes. If certain tags generate more work, then consider specialized training or dedicated agents. SLA tracking. Service level agreements, or SLAs, define the maximum time allowed to respond to a customer inquiry. Hiver allows you to set SLA policies and track whether conversations meet or miss the target. You can configure different SLAs for various customer types. For instance, VIP customers might expect a response within 2 hours, while general inquiries can wait up to 24 hours. Hiver alerts agents when a conversation is nearing an SLA breach so they can prioritize it. Customer satisfaction surveys. After resolving a conversation, Hiver can automatically send a short survey asking customers to rate their experience. These ratings give you a direct measure of satisfaction. Analyzing survey feedback helps identify trends in performance and areas for improvement. If ratings drop, review conversations, see why. So setting up a shared Gmail inbox with Hiver can transform your customer support workflow. By bringing all support emails into one place, you eliminate confusion and duplication. Assign conversations to specific agents, use tags and views to organize messages, and track statuses so nothing gets overlooked. You can also automate repetitive tasks with rules and templates. Measure your performance with analytics and surveys, and continuously refine your process. Hiver helps you deliver faster, more reliable support while keeping your team organized and customers satisfied. So if you want to get started with Hiver, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us to create practical, beginner-friendly content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.